Hey Dreamers, this is a reminder that our first set of the Buzz trainings is happening this Wednesday, April 3rd, during lunch. And to give you a preview, I wanted to show you one of the things that you can come and learn how to do at our training. And that is, I'm going to show you how to enable students to create their own reminders in Buzz so they can create reminders that show up on their to-do list. So in order to do this, we have to change the settings in the core settings. So the core settings can be found in this wrench. Click it, first one. If we scroll down to student tasks, we're going to click enable student tasks. You can also click enable submission of student tasks if you would like. That's something that you could potentially integrate into your class, but for now I'm not going to check it. And I just want the student to use it for creating their own reminders. So I'm going to hit save. So now I'm going to proxy as that student so you can see what it looks like on their end and see how it appears in their Buzz. One, so you can show them how to use it, but also so you know what they see on their end if they are using it effectively. So I'm going to proxy as Mr. Daffy Duck. Okay, so here we go. So if you notice, when Daffy goes to his Buzz page, he has this circle with a plus. If you did not have the enable student tasks selected, that icon would not appear. So the student can click on it and click create task. And maybe the reminder is to study for the test. Through your notes and make a study guide. And they need to do this on Wednesday. So now if we go to their to-do list, you can see the reminder that they created is here on their to-do list. And if they go to the main to-do list in Buzz, it's also here. The student is also in power of when this goes away. So as opposed to uploading homework, they still should click on it and then they can mark this as complete. When they go back then to their to-do list, it's no longer there, and then they can be in control of setting their own reminders and taking those off the to-do list. If you would like to see more and hear more about how you can use this feature, make sure to come to our Buzz training on Wednesday, April 3rd, and I look forward to seeing you there.